Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Amicable Stitches. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this small souvenir purse. So I'll be making use of this leather material, your zip head, your zip cloth, and this holder. I'll be fixing it to the zip head. The measurements for this bag: 7 inches by 12 inches. I'm making use of 7 inches by 12 inches. Okay, so just watch as I join the purse together. So the next thing to do in this purse is fixing your bag, the zip cloth to the bag. So this part, you turn your zip to the back side. This is the front. You turn it to the back side like this. You place it like this. You leave at least 1 inches or half inches here. So you place your zip cloth like this. Then you sew. When you're done sewing, you turn it to the upside like this. Then you top stitch. You top stitch on the zip like this. Top stitch on it like this. Then what you did here, you repeat it to the other side too. You pull the zip, you place it like this. You leave half inch here. You sew. Then when you get to this side, you fold again and top stitch. You top stitch. Top stitch on the purse. After top stitching, you bring it like this. Then you fix your zip head to the purse. So after attaching your zip head to it like this, you turn your purse to the back side. You turn it to the back side like this. Turning your purse to the wrong side like this. You sew it straight down. You sew this part too straight down. You make sure here the tip meets each other and it's equal. You sew it straight down. You turn it to this other side. You make sure both of them are placed together. The zip head, both of them are well placed like this. You turn it, then you sew it down. You sew it down too. When you are done sewing it down, this part, you open it up, you press it down a little. Here you can measure as like 1 inch here. Then you sew 1 inch here. You sew it straight. You repeat it to this other part too. Here 1 inches. You sew it. You repeat the same thing you did here to this other side too. You press it down like this. You measure out 1 inches here, here like this, Then you sew it down. You can decide to cut it out, or you can decide to leave it. You can decide to cut this part out, or you can decide to leave it if you don't want it. Then you trim out all this excess. You trim it out. You can even use your lighter to burn out all these rough edges too. You trim them out. After that, you turn your purse to the right side. Please, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and also comment. I also make souvenir bags for different occasions. In case you want me to make some for you, you can contact me on 070-30-732558. Amicable Stitches. You can contact us. We make different souvenir bags for different occasions, even purses, key holders, bags, school bag, lunch pack. You can contact us. Here you pull here up like this so that your zip will be able to zip. Pull it up, then you zip it. This is your purse. You get your bag handle. Your bag handle, you place it here. Your purse handle, you place it here and your purse is ready. You've made a little purse. We have different measurements for this purse. This is the bigger size of it. This one is the smaller size I made here. This is a bigger size of it. Thank you for subscribing.